Quick updates for you guys on all the new features that OpenAI has announced over the past 3 days. Here's everything you guys need to know. Starting off with today, we have 1-800-CHAT-GPT, where you can now call ChatGPT if you have a US phone number. They give you 15 free minutes every single month. I think this could be really useful if I'm ever in a pinch and I run out of my data for the month or whatever, or I don't have enough service to search the web, but I need some answers, but I do have enough service to make a phone call. I can just call 1-800-CHAT-GPT and talk to the AI assistant there and get my answers there, just as if I were to use ChatGPT. They also added within WhatsApp, you can now text 1-800-CHAT-GPT, but right now it's only text. You can't do images or audio or any of that. That's only available in the mobile apps. Day 9 updates have everything to do with the API. So if you're a developer, these are some pretty big updates. The new O1 model is now available in the API, and they announced all this on day 9 with other updates to the API, such as function calling, developer messages, structured outputs, and vision capabilities. In my opinion, one of the bigger updates within all of these API updates is the advanced fine tuning. So I'm here in the API in the fine tuning right here, and they have this new method right here, which is direct preference optimization. You select that, you select your base model, and then you upload your training data. Within this data, you are specifying a preferred output or a preferred behavior and a non-preferred behavior. You upload that data and configure it, all these other options right here, and then you hit create, and then it sends off for the fine-tuning process. And this could take anywhere from a few minutes up to hours. And by using this method, it's able to optimize the data that you input for this fine-tuning and be able to better decipher between your preferred outputs and behavior and your non-preferred outputs. So it's just better to understand and build a fine-tuned model for your specific use case. So again, it emphasizes your preferred behavior and de-emphasizes your non-preferred behaviors. Really cool stuff. I actually really want to do this myself. And then last but not least is day 8 announcements, which is just updates and improvements to GPT search. So if you go to ChatGPT, you go to a new thread, you can see this search the web option. You can toggle that on and it searches the web. So this isn't new, but they made some improvements to the speed and the quality of the outputs. And they also added this to the free tier. We have 2 more days left of the 12 days of OpenAI with new announcements and features. So I'm curious what's going to come over the next 2 days. I'll keep you guys posted. Thanks, guys. If you haven't followed me already, my name is Mason. I love AI. I love automation. I specifically love make.com. So I build smart automated workflows for businesses where I take their repetitive tasks and build out these systems, plugging AI assistants along the way to automate their work for them. So if you're interested in any of that, go ahead, give me a follow, and I've got tons of useful content for you guys. Thanks, guys.